Today I wanted to make a video talking specifically about Canopy Growth stock. Ticker is CGC. Around 2% on the day, sub $1 now, sitting at 92 cents at the time of this video. It's up around 3% after hours, back up to 95 cents. But really over the last month, a little over actually a month, I would say from the beginning of August, beginning to mid-August, we kind of started to see some positive price action go on here with CGC stock. Was actually early November, about 15 days ago, about 2 weeks ago actually. CGC stock did hit a high of $1.79, not an all-time high, but I guess you could say like a 6-month high. You can see here of what is this, $1.79. I think actually we're talking about March 31st was at $1.79. So and look at this just run it's been on, right? Was down here trading as low as, we're 39 cents. It was trading exactly 1 month ago, and now it's popped up here. Like I said, $1.79, and then the trading volume continues to be high. With CGC stock specifically, we're talking about CGC stock here, eighth most traded stock on the market today, this specific trading day, and a total of 84 million trades here for CGC stock. But I've covered this stock numerous times now. I wanted to make an update video because there has been some kind of volatility, extreme volatility in regards to this stock. And I talked about in the previous video how Canopy Growth was trying to simplify their business plan, and that is something that I think, to me, if you are holding Canopy Growth stock, and in full transparency, I'm not holding and I don't have a position, them simplifying their business, plan, or them simplifying their business strategy, I think should be something that is welcomed by investors, because I think for the longest time Canopy Growth just had their hands in too many pots, right? The sarcasm there, but anyways, they just had their hands in too many different things, and I think with them simplifying their business plan will create more opportunities for their brands that can really grow and create revenue for the company. And I think we've seen this before with other brands, like, with Canopy Growth, right? They're limited and hindered. We talked about before how they can't do their taxes like a normal business because of the legal reasonings, right? The legalization of cannabis is not at a federal level, at least in the United States. They do a lot of business in Canada that they can't do in the US, things like that. So it makes it difficult for a company like Canopy Growth to really grow and excel and do all the things it wants to do. So I definitely think them simplifying the business plan is going to benefit them in the long term. But taking a look at this, let's just take a look at a few things here. This is on Benzinga. Canopy Growth stocks. Let me see if I can actually even read this article. All right, yeah. Canopy Growth stocks blaze higher amid wild volatility in cannabis sector. The bull and bear case. Canopy Growth was flying higher on Thursday despite trading in a steep downtrend. The cannabis stock formed a double bottom pattern recently, which caused Monday's rebound. Now, I'm specifically not super into the chart reading, right? Like for me personally, but for those of you who are into the chart reading, you can see here if Canopy Growth retraces on Tuesday, which again today is Tuesday, which it did pretty much retrace. Bullish traders want to see a stock form a bullish reversal candlestick, such as a doji or a hammer candlestick above 76 cents, which would negate the downtrend and indicate a new uptrend could be on the horizon. Bearish traders want to see a big bearish volume come in and drop Canopy Growth below 75 cents, which would negate the double bottom pattern and indicate a downward trend remains intact. Canopy Growth has resistance above $1.02 and $1.08 and support below at 76 cents and at the 48 cents mark if you're taking a look at this specific chart reading here. Again, this article probably came out yesterday, and we ended the day with Canopy Growth at 95 cents specifically after hours. And then also this Investor Place article, which again I'll put a link to both these articles in the description of this video. But you can see here the following individuals were approved as board members for Canopy's Growth Board of Directors, which I guess they had a new meeting to kind of decide on that to go along with investors. CGC stock was also approved by PKF O'Connor Davis LLP as the company's auditors and independent registered public accounting firm. There's movement on Tuesday, like I said here, and again, nothing crazy. Trading volume continues to be high for CGC. Now, I just wanted to circle back here and talk about how with these cannabis stocks, and specifically with Canopy Growth, something, and just the narrative that I've kind of been pushing now for a while in regards to this stock, is that I think, Canopy Growth well positioning itself right in the, I guess you could say, I guess it would be called the Canadian sector, right, or the cannabis sector in Canada, while positioning itself so for when there is legalization on the U.S. level. A lot of positive things can happen. So again, let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about CGC stock. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and as always, have a great day.